everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. I have a super cute project to share with you today, and I am so excited you could join us. Now, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so by clicking the red subscribe button down below, or you can hit that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell that pops up. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Now, any of the supplies that I used in today's video, you can find that down in the description. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started. Here is a close-up of the project we're going to be creating today. It's a super cute little leprechaun hat. So this is what we're going to make. Now, my first one I was actually using some designer series paper, but this is a little bit different. So I'm going to show you how to actually make the little hat. I'm going to set this off to the side. My cardstock today, this is the Regals collection. This is the shaded spruce, and I have two pieces, and both pieces are cut at 4 3/4 by 6. I have a 4-inch circle. Now I went ahead and cut this circle already, and you could use a plate, trace out a plate and then cut out with scissors, but I have stuff that cuts out circles. I have a piece of glimmer paper, and this is 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. I have a piece of basic black, and this piece is 1 inch by 11, and we're going to cut that down. So on our cardstock we need to do some scoring. So I have my Stampin' trimmer, and on 3 of the sides, we need to score this at 1 3/4. You're going to repeat that on the other piece as well. Same measurement, 1 3/4 on 3 of the sides. What you're going to do now, you will notice you have little squares. You're going to cut these 2 squares away. So I just got my paper snips. Now on this piece here, you are just going to cut up and you're going to stop at that score line. You can now fold and burnish all your score lines. And we're going to now start to assemble our little box. I've just got some multi-purpose liquid glue. So once you've formed your little box, you can set that off to the side. All I'm going to do is I'm going to now attach this to my circle. Making sure I'm centered. Give that a good press. what's fun about this project, you guys, I have these metallic Sharpies. Now, I only can find my bronze, but I have gold and silver as well. And you could also write the person's name that's sitting at the table, which I thought was kind of cute too. I just thought about that now. And then all you're going to do is, I took this 1-inch strip, and all I did was, using my fingers, I wrapped it around. Just like so. Now it is a little bit long, but I did that purposely because I'd rather cut away. Like, I'd rather have too much than too little. So I want to say you could probably cut this at like 10 inches, 1 inch by 10 inch. And all I'm going to do is add my glue. Now with this liquid glue, what's nice is you've got a few minutes to play around. Just going to hold that there a few seconds. And then where that little seam is, that's where you're going to add your gold, like buckle piece, or like headpiece, whatever you call this. Super cute project, you guys. Then you are going to grab some shred stuff, put that in there, and you can also buy those gold coins and stick gold coins in the hat. But I hope you enjoyed today's project, and I will have a written detailed description with measurements and all that kind of stuff over on my website. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to share my video. I hope you'll join me back here on Friday. Take care.